Hey everyone, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be hitting abs together. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. You're going to be needing your waist trainer. So ladies, grab your waist trainer. Gentlemen, I don't know if they have waist trainers for you, but if you have one, put that thing on. You're also gonna need your yoga mat. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout.
Getting started with kneeling side crunches. For this exercise, go ahead and take a knee. The knee is down, so same knee, same arm, hand down. You're going to extend the opposite leg all the way out, bring the other hand to the back of your head, and go to the side and crunch. Slowly move your body and bend your arm that's down. So you want to lean into the crunch. You don't want to just stay stiff and crunch, because then your side butt is going to start hurting. So the whole point here is to hit those obliques. So make sure that when you bring that leg in, you slightly move your body down. You'll see as I'm working out here, my arm bends very slightly and I move into the motion. Okay, we've got 3 sets of 20 on each side. Let's get it. No breaks here. Go ahead and switch sides. Great job. Go ahead and take a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, it's really important to have good form. Make sure that your back is nice and straight, and when you bring that knee up, bring it up as high as you can. No breaks here. Go ahead and switch sides. Give yourself a 10-second rest. Getting into our last set, we have our last 20 on each side. Let's get it, guys. No breaks here. Go ahead and switch sides. Great job. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. Next up, we have plank dips. So for this exercise, come onto your side and you're gonna bring an arm down. And with that arm down, you're going to prop yourself up, bring your opposite hand to your hip, because that's where it's most comfortable, to be honest. You could also put it down on the ground in front of you, but this is way more comfortable having it up on your hip. Stack your feet on top of each other. Legs should be stacked as well. And you are going to raise and lower your midsection. Side of your hips should barely touch the floor, and then you raise back up. Don't feel bad if you can't do this exercise. It is a toughie. Take a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, we're going to do all 3 on one side first before we go ahead and switch sides, just because we want to keep the tension on the side. So make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight and really getting those hips up there. Give yourself a 10-second break. All right, getting into our last set. This is our last 10. Breathe through it. I know it's challenging, but we're almost there. Great job. No breaks here. Go ahead and switch sides. Give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2. Breathe through, you guys. We're almost there. Take a 10-second rest. All right, this is our last set, last 10. Let's get it. This exercise is so good for your sides. Like if you want a small waist, ladies, you need this exercise right here. Great job. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. Next up, we're going to be doing some heel touches. So come onto your back. You know this exercise. Bend your knees, put them shoulder width apart right in front of you. Keep your back on the ground, and we're going to slide from side to side, trying to hit that thumb, because the thumb is the shortest finger. So try to hit that thumb to the back of your heel. The waist trainer is gonna add more resistance. So if you feel your abs burning after the first set, that's the goal of wearing this waist trainer, because it's adding resistance. You're pushing against something more than usual. So we've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it. Take a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you're breathing through this. It's a little bit challenging because we are wearing a waist trainer, but you just want to make sure that you're breathing so that you don't pass out, especially if your waist trainer is tight. Take a 10-second break. All right, this is our last set, last 20, push through it. You got this. Great job. Give yourself a 15-second rest. Coming off the mat, go ahead and grab a dumbbell. We're going to bring it into one hand. The other hand comes up behind our head, and you know what exercise this is. We're going to be doing some dumbbell oblique crunches. These are so good. So good for those obliques, so good for those sides, love handles, all that good stuff. So bring the dumbbell down to about right above the knee and raise it back up. The whole plan here when you raise it back up is to get your spine into a neutral position again. So you should be standing straight up when you come back down, but don't stay there for too long because you don't want to give your side a rest. You just want to come back up nice and easy and then lower it back down. Keep the tension on the side. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it. No breaks here. Go ahead and switch sides. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight and you're not going too far down with the dumbbell. You just want to go right above the knee. Okay, you don't want to have bad form, so don't try to bend your body all the way down thinking you're going to get a deeper crunch. That's not the way it works. No breaks here. Go ahead and switch sides. Give yourself a 10-second rest. All right, this is our last set. Last 20, you guys. Let's get it. No breaks here. Go ahead and switch sides. Great job. Great job today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.